How to join Google Meet with link. Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Google Meet, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new meet. We're simply going to click this button over here, and then we're going to click on start an instant meeting. Now over here right now we are at the Google Meet, and we can click on add others by clicking on this option over here, or we could click on this copy link option over here, and we would be able to send this link to whomever we want to send it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on add others, and we're simply going to input the email of the person we want to add. For example, this account that I have over here, and we're going to click on send email. After that, we're going to check our email over here, and as you can see, we have the email being sent to us, and we're simply going to click on join call, and just like that, we would be able to join the specific Google Meet by clicking on join now. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.